Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you for coming. This is Chef and More. We are getting ready to make delicious, luscious, thick, rich French toast, guys, with a Berry Compote. Let's get busy. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is start with our Berry Compote because it's probably going to take the longest and we want it to cook down and reduce really well. I'm going to be using strawberries, blueberries, and cherries, guys. You don't have to use all, you can do one or you can do any combination of what you like. I'm going to use some fresh orange juice and a little bit of sugar, guys. And we may need to add a little bit of water to it, just depends on how it's going and how thick it gets. So the first thing we want to do, guys, I'm going to put this right here. It's not hot yet. We're just going to put all of our berries into a pot. Set that aside. And these are going to cook down and reduce as we go. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of sugar in here. Now, if your berries are super sweet, you may want to skip this step. Mine happen to be not too sweet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Cut this orange in half. Now I'll cut it this way. And guys, the orange is seedless, so I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze my juice directly into here. Just want to squeeze it, get all that juice into your pot. I'm using the juice of half an orange, guys, half an orange. Okay, so we are going to sit this over here on the burner and just let it cook and reduce down, stirring occasionally. Okay guys, so our compote is all ready. Can you see that? Nice, delicious. Yes. So we are going to go ahead and let this sit down and cool a little bit while we go ahead and make our French toast. Okay guys, now that our compote is ready, we're going to go ahead and make our French toast. One of the key things that I have found with making French toast is the right bread, guys. Don't just use regular sandwich bread, you need a thick bread. So guys, I buy the French loaves. Got this for $1. I'm gonna slice it up to my thickness just for my French toast. Okay, let's get busy. Okay guys, so for the French toast, we're going to need our French loaf. And I'm going to be using cloves, cinnamon, vanilla flavoring, and heavy cream, as well as 3 eggs and some butter for my actual skillet. So we want to just get all of our ingredients mixed in here. And guys, as you all mostly know, I am not that big on measuring, so I'm just going to go ahead and get busy here. First thing I'm going to do is crack my eggs in a different bowl to make sure they're okay and I don't get any shells in there. And then I'll add it to my actual mixing bowl that I will be using. 3 eggs, and guys, I'm only making like 4 pieces of French toast today because I'm just making it for my family, so I only need a couple of servings here. Okay, set that on the side. And to this, we're going to add heavy cream, guys, heavy cream. Now you can add milk if you don't have heavy cream, and again, I don't measure, I just kind of pour, and I'll be able to tell as I go along. I'm gonna shake a little cinnamon in here. Just a little bit of cloves. And probably about a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. We're gonna whisk this all together really, really well and let it sit for a minute. And I like using heavy cream as opposed to milk just because it's richer and thicker. But please feel free to use milk. You can even use almond milk if you can't use regular milk, guys. There's always a substitute. This is smelling amazing. Yes. I want to make sure everything is well combined. Okay, some people add a little sugar to theirs as well. I don't typically add sugar to mine simply because my compote will be sweet and I don't really have a sweet tooth. So feel free to add a little sugar to your mix if you want. We're just going to slice this up here. Cut the end off first. So get some nice slices here. And I'm going to cut this probably about a 1/2 inch thick. You don't want it too thick, but you want it a good amount. So this is the thickness that I'm going to be using today, guys. And while I slice this up, since I have to soak it on both sides, I'm going to put it directly into the mix. I'm going to do 4 slices here. That one in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of tablespoons of butter to my skillet here. Get that all around. Okay, guys, set this up a little bit so you guys can also see what I'm doing back here on this corner. Now I'm going to flip these over and let them soak on the other side. Yes, then we'll get the other 2 in. My skillet is actually big enough to hold all of them, so we will be putting them all in at the same time, guys. I'm going to get the butter melted, nice and hot. That's all it is to it, guys. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get our first pieces in here. I like to kind of dip them all around, make sure they look good. And so make sure you drip off the excess. Make sure the excess drips off, guys. We don't need that. We don't need that. Let's put it in there. Strip off the excess here again. Okay, now let's get these 2 done. Soaked in on both sides there. Got my skillet on probably medium high. Make sure they're well submerged. Okay, and as you guys can see, that was just enough mix for the 4 slices. Okay, we're going to let these cook on this side and we'll be back when it's ready to turn them over. Okay guys, we are ready to turn over. Let's flip this over here. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Beautiful golden brown. This is going to be thick, rich, and delicious. The heavy cream has a certain richness to it. Yes, nice cup of coffee. Okay guys, we're going to let it cook on that side and we'll be back when we're ready to take it out. Okay guys, we are all done, so we're going to take them out here. Okay guys, look at that. Isn't that delicious? Look at how nice and golden brown that is. Yes, this one. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to stick this out the way and then we're going to top it with our compote and powdered sugar. Okay guys, we are all done here. Let me put my compote on here. Yes. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Awesome and amazing, guys. Awesome and amazing. I always like to use a strainer and my powdered sugar, so I won't dust too much on there. Okay, guys. We are all done. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Isn't that amazing, guys? Isn't that amazing? Yes. Okay, guys. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you all can be here for the next video, and tap that bell so you'll be notified, because we're going to have our taste test, and this is going to be amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes. You know what, guys? I need a knife. Just cut a piece off of here right quick. Yes. All right, all right, all right. I got my little piece cut off of there. See that, guys? Isn't that delicious? Look at that, guys. Yes. Those berries of compote, there's some freshness. The orange juice provides a little tartness, a little acidity. And guys, if you hear some sizzling in the background, that's my bacon. I'm getting ready to sit down and have breakfast. Yes. Okay, guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Tell me about French toast. Do you like it? What would you like for a compote on yours? Guys, you know I love those comments. And give me a thumbs up, guys. Come on now. Don't just watch the video without giving me a thumbs up. And guys, I also have channel membership. So if you want to support this channel and see me make all kinds of amazing things, please join the channel. The button is right there or right there, but it's right next to the subscribe button. So hit it too. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And I'll see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.